Hello everyone and welcome to the Ab Rocket Twister Advanced Workout. I'm Janie and I'm going to be leading you through your class today. Now congratulations for making it all the way to the advanced. We're going to get started with a move that we like to call the chiseler. So go ahead and plant your feet down right here just like this. Get comfortable, put your hands down, and I want you to go ahead and slowly go back about halfway just like this. And you're going to put your arms around your chest just like this, cross them, and you're going to come up into a crunch just like that. Good. We're going to do 8 of these. Here we go. 8, 7, 6. Good. Engaging those abs. 5, 4. Good job. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Just finished our chiselers. We're going to stretch out those abs because I know you need it. And we're going to go into our wood chop. All right, so here, you're going to come up. Go ahead and everybody sit up for right now. You're going to come up, your hands are clasped, and the movement is just this. You're going to go to the left, and then to the right, and then to the left, really twisting. What you're going to do is you're going to add a knee into it. So your left knee comes up, your right knee comes up. We're going to do 8 of those, and then we're going to do a pulse to the left. We'll stretch, get into it again, and do that last set. All right, so here we go. As far as your body positioning, you're going to be about halfway back reclined, just like this. So everybody get your hands ready. And here we go for our first set. 8, 7, 6, 5, good. 4, keep your head rested. 3, 2, and 1. Now pulse. 8, 7, 6, crunch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Stretch it out. Recline. Hands overhead, good job. All right, let's come up halfway again. Clasp your hands, starting from the left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, good job. 3, 2, 1, to the right. 8, 7, 6, chop, chop. 4, 3, 2, last one, awesome, stretch it out. Woo, those are the wood chops. Gotta love them. All right, now we're gonna go into our tabletop. You're gonna recline back about halfway. You're gonna extend your legs out and in. This is what we call tabletop, just like this. Now when you come out, you're extending, and then you come in and crunch. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, holding on to the handles. 3, 2, and 1. Woo, stretch it out. Oh, we have one more set of those, tabletops. Okay, raise your back, position your legs, and here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Stretch it out. Oh my goodness. Are you feeling it or what? We're going to go ahead and incorporate the twist move. We're going to do a twist, twist, full extend. Very similar to what we just did on the tabletop here. So before we can do that, there's a pin that you need to remove from your ab rocket twister. So let's go ahead and do that now. Excellent. Okay, so this next move is going to be pretty tough, but I know you can do it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be in the advanced section, right? So here we're going to do what's called a twist, twist, full extend. I'm going to show you that really quickly before my team joins in. We're going to start to the left. Your feet are slightly elevated. You're about halfway back, just like this. Twist all the way to the right, really working those obliques. Come back to center. Full extension of the legs and recline further back. Come back in, and then here we go again. That entire move right there is considered 1. We're going to do 8 of those. Now for the modified version, you're going to go ahead and still do the twisting action with your feet off the ground, just like this. Come to center, place your feet down, and as we're crunching with our legs extended, you're just going to do a regular crunch. Make sure you really fully extend. Keeping your head here, focus and engage those abs. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's do this. So here we go. We're going to start to the left. Here's number 1. 1. Center. Good. 2. 3. Woo. 4. Good. Twist, twist, center, extend. Good. 6. Ooh, are you guys feeling this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 7. And last one. Really hold those handles. Good. Done. Down. Recline. Breathe. You deserve it. Stretch those abs out. I hope you felt those in your obliques because that's really where you should be feeling it. You should be feeling it in your entire core. And then of course you're holding your legs up, so you're kind of feeling it in your legs as well. Now we're gonna go into our last and final move. It's a doozy, but we're gonna get through it. All right, so basically I'll show you before our team joins in. You're gonna lift your legs slightly off the ground, slightly recline back. You're gonna do the twisting motion, which you're already used to, right? But here, you're gonna do an extension, crunch, twist, extend, crunch, just like that, okay? Now for the modified version, still do the twist, but you just won't add the legs. Just make sure that you're reclined back a little further, all right? So you guys ready to do this? Okay, we're gonna do 8 of them. Here we go, starting to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Those are hard. Go ahead and extend back, straighten your legs, point your toes, breathe in and breathe out. I know that reclining move right now and the stretching move feels really good on your abs. You want to make sure you stretch those, stretch your rib cage. Good job. That is not an easy workout. That's why it's called the Ab Rocket Twister Advanced Workout. But you got it done. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. Good job, guys.